Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. All you got to do is use the links in the description if you want to get one of these for yourself. Hey, what's going on? Rich back with another awesome video for you. Just picked up a Gator mulching blade, which is a original OEM part for Craftsman. This is an Oregon blade and it replaces a Gator G3. And what I'm doing now is I'm just showing you how to take it off really quickly. You just need a 14mm socket, which is like this. I got a regular blade, a flat blade, and I learned that when you use blades with lift, what they do is they pull the grass up off the ground, and it gives those nice lines when you see the grass. One line's going one way, one's going the other. Back and forth, they have the nice stripes on the grass. So when you use a flat blade like this, you're not gonna get that because this has no lift, it's a flat blade. So if you look at the top of this blade, this is the top. It comes down at an angle like this. So as you can see, it has a good amount of lift in the back of it because of this upswept piece right here, how it curves up. The lift in the back right here is what brings the grass, what pulls it up. When the blade is curved up like this, it has lift. So this is actually a Gator mulching blade too. It's got these really aggressive spikes on it. What it's gonna do is, as the grass is spinning around, it's being sucked up into the mower, it's gonna mulch it and cut it up almost like a blender. And then it's gonna make really fine particles to drop down, and it's gonna leave nutrients for the grass to grow. So this is just a really great blade. I'm gonna try this out. I never knew about this. This is a 21.9 inch, which is the same as a 22 inch. So it is a Gator G3 replacement. This is the cutting part of the blade right here. Obviously it's not gonna cut my finger because it's not that sharp, but it's pretty sharp. I mean, it's good for a blade. These pieces right here are extremely sharp, so be careful with these. These are really gonna mulch it up good. So it's got the star pattern blade here. So if your mower has that, this is gonna be for the star pattern Craftsman. If your mower has the 2 holes in it, you get a blade with that, with the 1 hole in the middle and the 2 on the sides that go through, and then the bolt and the nut goes on, same thing. This blade, by the way, really did a terrific, phenomenal job. I have no problems with it whatsoever. I just wanted to show you the difference. You can see the back of it, how it's upswept only a little bit. It's only a little bit of lift. It's a very, very low profile blade. Now, if you look at this one, it's a much more aggressive blade. It's got a much higher lift. If you look at the sides like this has a bigger lift right here. This part of it here is swept up. I'm putting them flat together, and as you can see from the sides, this is a little bit more aggressive lift in the back. Plus it's got the mulching parts right there. So we'll see what happens. And the other thing too is this blade it's a little bit lower, okay? If you keep them side by side, the cutting parts right here, this one is swept down, so it's gonna be able to cut a little bit lower if you need it to. Let you listen to it, see how it sounds. So I did drop the lawnmower down a little bit, 1 notch. I cut it a little bit shorter this time, and honestly, this is probably the best blade I've ever used in my life in a lawnmower. So I hope this video helped you out. If you wanted to get one of these for yourself, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description. And if you can, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and let me know if you get any questions or comments in the section down below. Thanks for watching. Take care.